Is your Lexus car alarm randomly going off? It's a common issue, often related to faulty sensors, key fob problems, or overly sensitive settings. This video helps you troubleshoot these common causes. First, door or latch switches. These micro switches detect door closure. Faulty or corroded switches send false signals, triggering the alarm. This is a common cause, especially in older models. Next, key fob issues. A weak fob battery or synchronization problems can prevent disarming the alarm. Try replacing the battery first. Finally, sensitivity settings. Modern Lexuses have adjustable shock sensors. If set too high, even minor bumps can trigger the alarm. Some models allow sensitivity adjustment through the Lexus Inform app. To diagnose, start by isolating the problem. Test each door individually, check your fob battery, and consider whether recent environmental factors like extreme weather might be affecting your car. If you own a newer model, check to see if you can adjust alarm sensitivity via the Lexus Inform app. For faulty door switches, inspect for corrosion or damage. Test the switch with a multimeter. Resistance should drop to 0 when the door is closed. Replacement sensors cost under $100 and can be a DIY fix. Watch online tutorials for your specific Lexus model. If the fob is the issue, try reprogramming it. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, and press the lock button on the fob within 5 seconds. Consult your owner's manual for specific instructions. For newer models, use the Lexus Inform app to adjust the alarm's sensitivity. For older models, access the fuse box or use an OBD2 scanner to recalibrate. See if there's a Lexus Fix Pro video on YouTube for your model. If these steps don't resolve the issue, your Lexus may have a more complex problem requiring professional diagnosis. Lexus offers free diagnostic scans through their alarm assurance program. Also, check for recent recalls related to latch switch defects for your model year. Check enchtesa.gov to see if your car had a recall.